Today we have this rundown on the Victa Classic 35 or Sprint with the Briggs Stratton Engine, and it's really in the bad shape and condition. So the throttle is broken, and also there's this part here which is not bolted, and we have a look at the inside of this filter. The top condition of the filter is still not bad, but the back, I think, also needs to replace this filter. And you have a look at the inside of the with all the gunks inside and dirts, and also the blade. So have a look at the blade. So it's already worn out blade, which also needs to be replaced. Also looking on the oil, there is no oil, empty. So it's nothing, it's totally empty. So we'll give this machine a new look. And also the control spring, it's bent. So we're going to replace the throttle cable. First, as I'm going to remove the control cable. Now we're going to remove the carburetor. So using a 13 socket, and an M10 socket. Now we can remove the carburetor. So we have to remove the linkage from here. So we'll give this carburetor a full rebuild. So we have this. You also need to take this out, the gasket O-ring and the retaining clip. We're going to take the complete blade carrier. Using a much stronger impact wrench with the M14 socket, we can remove the blade carrier. Now we're going to remove the engine using the M11 socket. So we'll use this one to difficult to remove. Now we can remove the base. So we'll give this engine a good clean. So this is the base spacer. So we're going to remove the engine starter assembly. So using a 6.5 mm socket, I'm also like to remove the coil. So this is the vane. It's all connected to the when we assemble this one, I'll show you how to assemble this all this coil and the spring. So let's pull out. Just want to remove this one. So I'm going to remove the coil, and I'll show you how to re-gap this one, the distance between the flywheel and the coil assembly. So here is the base with the spacer, engine spacer. So we'll give this one a good clean as well, and possibly spray paint. So with all this paint come off already, so we'll take some of the old paint, what we can remove, not everything. So looking at the wheels, so it's not bad. The plastic is worn out, but still in good shape. So let's give a good clean.